Hello IDEX coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about the update of IDEX, what's going on, what surprise changes occur. In this video I will share all update, guys, so keep watching this video complete for more and better understanding. And if you are new on my channel, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update video, guys. So guys, first of all, if you talk about the right now price of IDEX, 0.3671 USD dollar, that is right now price of IDEX. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes, 5.10% positive changes occur in the IDEX. The changes is going positive in the market. And furthermore, if we talk about the price statistic update, so obviously now I predicated is in my previous videos that IDEX price will pump in October, guys. So now it is October and the price start positive changes, the price start pumping. You can see here the market cap, fully diluted market cap, every change. IDEX is completely in a profit, guys. A lot of people are getting a huge profit from IDEX. Now in October, in right now situation, a lot of coin I found positive. So every coin is good for investment because it is the beginning of a new month. That's why the changes is positive. Possibilities, guys, that IDEX will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction? Also share on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.